Well, guys, today we are going to start with you making one slide about your company. My company is Coca-Cola. That's why I'm going to make the slide about Coca-Cola. Firstly, I say to the ChatGPT, prepare text for 7 slides about Coca-Cola company. Find yourself information about history, founders, and products. So we start. When he prepares the text, as you see, he says, in the first slide will be there such things, and second slide, and third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seven. Okay, I like it. Please read it once. Is it okay? Next, go to the one of the presentation making AIs, Gamma AI, for example. And I say here in Gamma AI, create a new. You have to enter it with your Google accounts. Then there can be generating from zero or paste in text. I say paste in text. And I paste the text that I made in ChatGPT, and I say I want a presentation, not web page, not document. It should be presentation, and continue. Next, he will generate for you, but you have to check. For example, output language should be in English, okay? Image, use AI image, and so on. So when I say continue, he says select a team. I think the best team for the Coca-Cola company will be, which one is the best? Oh, this one. I think it looks like Coca-Cola, okay. The red things. Okay. The origin of Coca-Cola and the evolution, blah, 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 global expansion, and so on. So when you finish, you can go to 3 dots and say here, export as PowerPoint. Why we make PowerPoint? Because it's easy to edit it. And now we will edit it. What are we going to do? You are going to open your Google Drive, and in the drive, you will take the Coca-Cola company presentation that was downloaded and take it and put it in your drive, okay? If you want, you can create one folder and put, or just take and drop. Take and drop. So it says it will upload it here. And when he finish, you can open it. Next step, we made 7 slides about the company. Now we are going to make 3 slides where we will have some statistics. So it already opens. While it opens, I will find some statistics about company. Statistics about Coca-Cola. So there are some websites, you can search for them. I like this one, investing.com. And here are some statistics that I can use in my, okay, this is revenue by years. Let's make this one firstly. Okay, Coca-Cola company from one, blah, blah, blah. And I will add somewhere here, one more presentation. To add presentation, just select the slide and press enter. Now I say here, insert one chart. And this chart is going to be the line chart. Line chart is used if you have some information that change by years. Now I press on three dots and say open source. In the source, I have to enter these numbers. So this is the revenue in billions dollars. Okay, let's write it. Okay, billion dollars. Okay, we will use only last 5 years, 23, 22, 21, 20, and 19. So 2019, 2020. And if you select this two cell and take this point and drag it down, it will fill the 5 cells. Now let's use the information. So it says 37, 33, 38. 37, 33, 38. Next, 43, 45. 43 and 45. So this is the revenue. Now let's change the point score. Double click on it and you can change it. It will be revenue by years in billion dollars. Okay. And the color should be close to your slides. My slide is red. That's why I'm going to use the red color. Now it's okay. And I'm going to change it. I say here, update. And as you see, this one, also we can make here something like this. If you go down, there will be the data labels, okay? If it doesn't appear, okay, let's say if it's not appearing, press on your data, double click on it, and then find data labels. Okay, now we have the numbers. When I come here, I say update, and it updates. Now, next slide, and I will find some more information about Coca-Cola. For example, there are some things like, okay, two for stock, blah, blah, blah. Let's find some, okay, here. Its products, share comparison. Okay. Different companies that can compare with us. And we can use here, I say insert chart, and we will use the pie chart. Okay, how many items you want to add? It's up to you, but make minimum 4 items, please. I say open source. Okay, three dots, open source. And then here we have the items. Now let's make Coca-Cola 40, PepsiCo 30, Nestle 10. Coca-Cola 30, 40, sorry. Pepsi 30. And there was Nestle 10. Also, Dr. Pepper 10 and others 10. Sorry, not this one. Dr. Pepper 10 and other also 10. Now, the colors should be best suit to your company. Double click on one item and change its color. So it will be this one. Let's make the Coca-Cola red as it is. Okay, this one, let's make this and this one. Okay, now it's best suit to Coca-Cola slide. We come here and say here, update. So it's updated. And the last slide will be about the bars. Now let's find some information for bars. Maybe use this one or this one. Okay. Market cap. We are going to make one presentation about market cap. Insert chart, column chart, and open the source. Delete this part, and I say here, in market cap, we have, let's make last 4 years. 2020, yes. 2021, 2022, and 2023. And the numbers are as follows: 254, 275, 254, 275, 55, 35. Okay, so it is market cap. Okay, let's write here. Market cap. And the colors should be red. So fill color will be this red maybe. Also can change the background color, line colors, and so on. I'm not going to change them. Just come here and update it. So I have here one red presentation, 10 slides, 11 slides. And when you finish, share it. That's all.